Hey Raj, how was your first week at the new job?
Honestly, Anjali, it was okay, but I realized something. My office English is really weak.
Really? What happened?
My manager asked me something in a meeting and I just froze. I understood the words, but I didn't know how to reply properly.
That's very common. That's exactly why today's topic is Lesson 14 English Conversation at the Office.
Perfect timing. I need this.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. Morning greetings at work. What do people usually say?
Something like, "Good morning, how are you?" And the reply is usually, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
Right, and sometimes people ask about your weekend. How was your weekend? And you can say, It was great. I just relaxed at home. Or, It was good. I went out with friends.
Okay, that part I actually know. My problem is more with meetings and talking to my boss.
Let's fix that then. First, asking your boss for a leave or day off. This is something everyone needs at some point.
Yes, I actually need to ask for leave next week. Can we practice this?
Sure, let's do it. I'll be the boss. You ask me for leave.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Could I take a day off next Friday? I have a family function.
Sure, is it urgent? Or can it wait if we have a deadline?
It's a bit urgent, but I'll make sure my work is completed before that.
Okay, that's fine. Please send me a formal leave request on email as well.
Sure, I'll send it today. Thank you so much.
See, Raj, that wasn't so hard. Notice the phrases. Could I take a day off? I'll make sure my work is completed. And I'll send a formal request.
Okay, that's actually really useful because I always feel awkward asking for leave.
A lot of people feel that way. Being polite and giving a reason usually works well.
Okay, now let's talk about meetings because that's where I really struggle.
Okay, let's do a mini team meeting scene. Imagine your manager is asking for a project update.
Okay, go ahead.
Raj, can you give us a quick update on the project?
Sure. So far, we've completed the first phase and we're currently working on testing.
Great. Are we on track for the deadline?
Yes, we should be able to finish by Friday, but there might be a small delay if we find major bugs.
Okay, please keep me updated if anything changes.
Sure, I'll update you by tomorrow evening.
Perfect! Notice these phrases. We've completed the first phase. We're on track for the deadline. And I'll keep you updated. These are gold for any meeting.
Honestly, I've heard these exact sentences in my meetings. I just never knew how to use them myself.
Now that you know them, you'll actually start using them naturally.
Okay, what if I need help from a colleague? Like, I'm stuck on something and need someone's help.
Good one. You can say, Do you have a minute? I need some help with this. Or, Could you help me understand this report?
And what if they're busy?
Then they might say, I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk after lunch? And you reply, Sure, no problem. Let me know when you're free.
Let's do this scene too. You be my colleague. I need help with an Excel sheet.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, do you have a minute? I'm stuck on this Excel formula.
Sure, let me see. Oh, you just need to fix this bracket here.
Oh, that's it? Thank you so much. I was stuck for 20 minutes on this.
No problem. Happens to everyone.
See, such a simple conversation, but so useful in daily office life.
Exactly. Now let's talk about something a little uncomfortable. Apologizing for a mistake at work.
Oh no, this is my nightmare topic. I once sent an email to the wrong client.
Oh no, what did you do?
I just apologized immediately and explained the mistake.
That's actually the right approach. So, what do we say in English? I'm sorry, I made an error in the report. Or, I apologize for the delay. I'll fix it right away. And if the boss is upset, what do you say? You stay calm and say, You're right. I should have double checked. It won't happen again.
Let's do this scene. You're my manager. I sent the wrong file to a client.
Raj, I just got a call from the client. It seems the wrong file was sent.
I'm really sorry. I sent the wrong version by mistake. I'll correct it and resend it right now.
Okay, please be more careful next time.
You're right. I should have double checked before sending. It won't happen again.
Perfect response, Raj. Calm, honest, and professional. That's exactly how to handle mistakes at work.
Good thing this was just practice and not real life.
True. Okay, one more situation. Talking on a work call. Since a lot of people also work remotely now.
Oh, yes. Phone calls in English are actually scarier than face to face for me.
That's normal because you can't see expressions. Okay, so when you receive a work call, you say, Hello, this is Raj speaking.
And if you didn't hear something properly,
You can say, Sorry, could you repeat that please? Or, The line isn't very clear. Could you say that again?
and if you need to end the call because you're busy,
You say, I'm sorry, I have another meeting. Can we continue this later?
let's do a quick call scene. Ring ring. Imagine you're calling me about a client issue.
Hi Raj, this is Anjali. Do you have a minute to discuss the client issue?
Hello, this is Raj speaking. Sorry, could you repeat that? The line isn't very clear.
Sure, I said, Do you have a minute to discuss the client issue?
Yes, go ahead.
Great. So the client mentioned a delay in delivery. Can you check the status?
Sure, let me check and call you back in 10 minutes.
Perfect call handling, Raj.
See, I'm already improving.
You really are. Okay, last situation. End of the day, logging off from work. What do people usually say before leaving?
Something like, I'm heading out now, see you tomorrow. Or, I'm logging off for the day, have a good evening.
And if you're leaving early, you might say, I need to leave a bit early today. Is that okay?
And the boss might reply, Sure, no problem. Just make sure the report is sent before you go.
Exactly. So, friends, today we covered 6 real office situations: greetings, asking for leave, meeting updates, asking a colleague for help, apologizing for a mistake, handling phone calls, and logging off. That's basically an entire workday in English.
Wait, that's 7. You keep doing this, Anjali.
Okay, fine. 7. Even more value for you all.
Honestly, if people just practice these sentences a few times, office English won't feel scary anymore.
Exactly. So, friends, try using these phrases this week at your own workplace. Could I take a day off? We're on track for the deadline. Do you have a minute? I apologize for the delay. Could you repeat that, please? And I'm heading out now.
And remember, everyone makes mistakes while speaking, even at work. The important thing is you keep speaking.
Very true. If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which office situation you find most difficult: meetings, calls, or talking to your boss.
We'll pick a few comments and cover them in a future lesson.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. And Anjali, after all this office talk, I think I need actual leave now.
Go ask your real boss then, not me.
Fair point. Bye, everyone.